Black window frames. What are the pros and cons? Dear friends, it seems like black replacement windows are the pinnacle of home design right now. Home decor websites and magazines are full of spreads featuring homes with black framed windows. Though black windows may seem like a modern fad, black windows date back to the 19th century. Used black windows in factories and warehouses all the time, and eventually, they made their way into residential properties as well. Are the advantages and disadvantages to keep in mind? Advantages of black window frames. Here are a few of the reasons why black window frames are here to stay. Boost curb appeal. Black windows are popular for both new homes and remodels. Black is such a versatile color and can work well in various applications. And because black windows have such a dramatic impact on the aesthetics of the home, these windows can help enhance curb appeal. Create artful views. Black windows provide the perfect frame for outdoor views. Instead of standing out, the black frames tend to blend into shadows, almost disappearing against nature. This allows homeowners to create a good connection with the outdoors and seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living spaces. Period appropriate. Black window frames are a common installation in contemporary or modern homes. They also work successfully on some Victorian-style homes when matched with the fascia and trim. Less reliance on window treatments. Black window frames create high contrast and are meant to be seen. And because black window frames are such a dramatic addition to the home, they can eliminate the need for window coverings. Disadvantages of black window frames. These are a few potential drawbacks associated with black replacement windows. Heat absorption. There is a potential downside to black framed windows. Black, as a color, tends to absorb heat. This can be a good thing, depending on the local climate. But if windows face the western heat or the home is located in a particularly hot or sunny area, this could be a problem. It is important to choose the right frame material to help combat the heat. Fiberglass is often the best when it comes to insulation. Clashes with character. If a home already has a lot of charm and character, adding black framed windows might be a mistake. The style might not fit with the overall design of the home and could end up looking like they do not belong. Cost. Black window frames are more expensive than white window frames. Several factors influence the cost of replacement windows, but the amount of pigment used for black frames often makes them more expensive. It also has a lot to do with the current demand for these more unique products. And black window frames are usually a custom order, which also drives up the price. Shows dirt. Black is a color that easily shows the dirt. These windows will require a bit more cleaning and maintenance if you hope to keep them looking sleek and new. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.